welcome back to TèchNA. In this video, we are going to see the unboxing and review of BoAt watch Xtend. This is the packaging of the watch. Here there is the image of the watch, and over here there is the name of the watch and the brand logo and the Alexa logo, which means that this watch has Alexa built in. That's why there is a logo over here. And there are some list of features over here. And on the right side we have the Alexa commands. You can use these commands with Alexa. At the back side there are the features listed. Real-time notifications with vibration alerts, 5 ATM dust, sweat and splash resistant, menstruation cycle tracker, compatibility with Android 6.0 and above, iOS version 9.0 and above. 14 sports mode with automatic motion recognition, ambient light display, guided meditative breathing, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen and sleep monitoring. And here you can see the package contents. And at the other side there are some other details over here. Now let's unbox this. There is a sticker over here, just peel it off. Here we have the watch itself, and at the bottom we have the magnetic charging cable. Let's see what's inside the box. There are some paperwork like the user manual, Alexa setup guide, and the BoAt product lists, also with the cricket players image. And this watch comes with 1 year of manufacturer warranty, and also we have one BoAt head sticker. Now let's take out the watch. So there is a sticker over here over the display, just peel it off. And let's remove the straps. Here also you can see the BoAt branding also over here. Now let's see the build quality and the display. The build quality of this watch is very nice. The body is made of polycarbonate and the straps are made of silicone. Also this watch comes in 4 color variants: pitch black, olive green, sandy cream and deep blue. This is the deep blue color. The display size of this watch is 1.69 inch full touch color display. Also has one button in the center over here for powering on it and back to home. And there is a mic over here for Alexa. At the back side of this watch we have the heart rate monitoring sensors and the blood oxygen sensors over here and the charging terminals over here. If you bring your magnetic charging cable over here, it will automatically attaches like this, and when you connect this to your adapter, it will charge. Now let's power on it. To power on, press and hold the middle button until you see the BoAt logo. After setup with the app, you will get this watch face as the default. When you press and hold this, you will get 4 pre-installed watch faces. And I have added one more, which is my memoji. You can also add image faces. This is actually an image face. So as I said before, this watch comes with 4 pre-installed watch face and you can add up to 7 watch faces. The app which is used to connect this watch is the BoAt Wave app, which you can get from Android and iOS. So make sure you have to connect with Bluetooth. So turn on Bluetooth and now it will be connected. If you're setting up this for first time, you have to do some process. Now let's see the features and the watch UI. To turn on the watch, just press the center button to turn it on. Now swipe right to access Alexa. If you tap, you can access it. But before that, you have to set it up with the Amazon account. You don't need a Prime membership for this. Again, swipe right to access music control. Here you have the volume control and here the music control. And here you have the weather and the last activity. Click on more to access more activities. Now here is the stress monitoring, heart rate sensor and the pedometer. And back to the watch face. Now click the power button and here you can see the health data, sports, Amazon Alexa, sports record, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, breath training, sleep, weather, music, stopwatch, alarm, timer, find phone and settings. Let's get into settings. And here there is a feature called wake gesture. Just turn on it, or if you want to turn on it shortcutly, just swipe down to up to access control center. From here you can turn it on or turn off. Also you can turn off the DND and turn on DND. Next is brightness. So this watch has 5 brightness modes. You can also set automatic brightness from settings. And here is the Find My Phone. If it is connected with the app, you can hear a sound in your app. If you turn off it again, it will stop ringing. Now let's try the raise gesture. Let it turn off. Now when you raise this, the screen will automatically wake up. As I said before, there are 14 workout modes which you can access from here. Now let's try commanding Alexa. Make sure you connect the app with Alexa and sign in Alexa, or else it will not work. And it should be connected with the app always to work with Alexa. Alexa, what is 10 by 24? After you get the answer, it will also vibrate to notify you. And again press this icon to access Alexa. When did iPhone 12 series launched? As you can see, it tells the correct date. If you use the raise to wake gesture, this watch will take more battery life. Now let's see the notification center. Just swipe from up to down to access the notifications. Here you can see the list of notifications from each app, mostly from YouTube and SMS. Now let's try it. Now I am going to send a message from this iPhone to this iPad. If you have connected to the internet and if I also connected to this watch, you will get the message over here and here. Now let me send it. You got the message over here. After some delay, you got the message over here. It shows the contact also and the message. You can't reply this, but you can delete the message. Also, you can swipe and delete, or click on this and delete all. Now let's try call alerts. Now I am going to call so that we can get to know whether this watch gets the call alerts. So we got the call alert over here and over here. It also vibrates, and you can't accept this call or speak. You can just cut it. You have to set the notification on and the call alerts on in the BoAt Wave app. To do that, go to device, click on the device, swipe down, click on message notifications and make sure to turn on this if turned off, and allow the apps you are using and you want to receive notifications on your watch. And after setting it up, just click on the tick. You have to click that option or it will not save. Now let's see the call alerts. Click on the option if turned off. You can also set 3-second delay, which will delay the time of the notification in your watch. So the UI of the watch was very nice. Now let's see the app UI and apps features. So this is the home page. Here you can see the steps and the distance, and here the calories burn, walk around, and the other shortcuts which you can see in your watch. You can also edit and add or remove. Next is training. You can go to these options and you can use it for training. As this watch doesn't have a GPS, it uses the GPS of the connected device. As I am connected with my iPad, it will use the iPad's GPS. You can connect it with phone also. Next, go to the device, and here's an option to scan the QR code for another watch or pair it manually. As I'm already paired it, just click on this, and here you can change the name of the watch, and you can see the battery percentage and the connected status. Here also you can see the steps, calories burned, and heart rate monitoring. Here is the Alexa. As I am already signed in, it shows exit, or you can set up it. Here is the watch face market. So recently the app was updated and I got many watch faces. So just click on one watch face which you like and wait till it loads, and click on install to device. Now you can see the watch logo over here. After it installs, a progress bar will appear in the watch. After it completes, you will get the watch face in your home page. If you want to change it, just press and hold and change it. Just tap it. That's all. Also, the app has categorized different watch faces in different names. And if you get into user, you can see the not installed over here and the installed over here. Now here is the health monitoring. Here you can enable these options. I have enabled only 2. The alarm clock, which you can set in the watch too. we saw the message notifications and call alerts, and here is the auto sports recognition. Still now there are two options, running and walking. Maybe it comes with the future updates. Device settings, do not disturb, which you can turn on or turn off with the watch itself. Find my phone, music control, wake gesture, weather forecast, automatic screen brightness, shortcuts. So here we saw the shortcuts like these. If I remove one, it will not show it. You can add or remove these. And here is an option to restart or delete device. And here is the firmware upgrade. Currently our version is version 2, which is the latest. And there are some helps, questions and suggestions you can ask if you want, and the about. You can also get into this watch face market, which is the same, and Amazon Alexa. And this is the user. From here you can see the watch, messages, settings like that, say changing time, unit, week starts from, and some other. You can check for updates from here for the app. Now it doesn't have an update. And there is a digital user manual too, which we already saw in the paperwork. These both are same. If you lost it, you can use this one. Now I am going to compare the heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen with the oximeter and the watch. So the heart rate of the both is nearly same. Now let's go back and again turn on the blood oxygen now. The oximeter shows 97. And this shows 97. So they are both quite near. So there is no problem with these features. The price of this watch is 3,500. And if you want to change the straps, you can change it with any 22mm third-party bands. Let me know your thoughts about this watch in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.